आला रे आला, देवा आला. एंड क्या क्या एनर्जी लेके आया है. शायद इट्स अ फुल हाउस. इट्स लाइक ऑलरेडी सब कुछ हाउसफुल हो चुका है. एंड दे ऑल आर हियर टू मीट यू एंड ऑफ कोर्स द एंटायर टीम. क्या बोलेंगे अब आफ्टर वी हैव सीन द ट्रेलर?
Well, this is 3 years, 3 years of our work. This is 1 year of shooting, and this is every day of giving everything that we have from our head and our heart to every little frame in this film. This is the most complex character I've played. Having said that, I've played a few. But if there was any character that challenged me yet again to ask myself if I am capable of doing this, मैं ये कर भी पाऊंगा या नहीं, तो वो देवा है. और वो रोशन एंड्रूज हैं जिन्होंने ये कैरेक्टर क्रिएट किया और मुझे ऑफ़र किया, और 1 साल हमने इस कैरेक्टर को साथ में डेवलप किया और फिर 1 साल उसको शूट किया. आई वांट टू थैंक एवरीबडी who's been a part of this film. Could not have made it without any of you all. और इस फिल्म में मैंने जो भी किया है, that is only because of Roshan. So rest is up to you guys.
Just one last thing. Talk to us about that intensity, because anyone and everyone who's seen the teaser, या फिर चाहे वो गाना भी, usually we see a song and we know you're a brilliant dancer. लेकिन how do you get that intensity? Talk to us about that. क्या preparation चल रही थी? What was going on यहाँ पे?
एक्चुअली एज एन एक्टर आप हमेशा वेट करते हो कि आपको कुछ नेक्स्ट लेवल पर ले जाने के लिए कैसे मौका मिलेगा. ऐसा आसान नहीं होता है. मैं तो जाके कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. जो फिल्म की कहानी है, जो कैरेक्टर है, जो वर्ल्ड है, उसकी क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, मैं वो ही कर सकता हूँ. और उससे ज़्यादा करूँगा तो ख़राब कर दूँगा. होपफुली उससे कम तो नहीं करूँगा. ऐसा नहीं है मेरा नेचर. लेकिन इस फिल्म ने मुझे फिर से बहुत वक्त बाद ऐसा मौका दिया कि एज एन एक्टर मैं अपने आप को पुश कर पाऊँ. लेकिन देर इज़ ऑल्सो लॉट ऑफ प्रेजेंस एंड ऑरा ऑफ दिस कैरेक्टर. सो देर इज़ ऑल्सो एन ओवरवेलमिंग पर्सनैलिटी जो देवा की है, विच गिव्स हिम दैट करिज्मा एंड दैट स्टार क्वालिटी. सो इट नीडेड टू बी अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ दोज एलिमेंट्स. एंड आप फिल्म देखो यार, मतलब बोलने का क्या फ़ायदा है. हम लोगों ने अपना काम कर दिया है. आप लोग देखो. Tell us what you feel. We've given it everything we have.
But I have to say he's done it outstandingly well. When I watched the trailer, I called him and I spoke to him and I was like, how have you done it? Like, I can literally count the veins on your forehead and your face. Like, how? And even the first half, where he's like giving his lines I thought it was dubbed and he's like, no, that's on the scene. But it was so eerie and like I think you're definitely going to see a new Shahid, because I feel like you've seen him do the other characters that he's done in his other films, but this is so restrained and intense, and it's just amazing.
It's because, Pooja, I am mafia.
So शायद माई क्वेश्चन इज़ फॉर यू कि आपने कई एक्ट्रेसेस के साथ फिल्मों में काम किया है, डांस सीक्वेंसेस किया है, डांस म्यूज़िक किया है. तो ऐसी कौन सी बॉलीवुड एक्ट्रेसेस जिसके साथ आपको बिल्कुल भी डिफ़िकल्टी महसूस नहीं हुआ इन टर्म्स ऑफ डांसिंग?
ये बैठी हैं मेरे साथ पूजा हेगड़े. इनके साथ बिल्कुल डिफ़िकल्टी नहीं हुई मुझे डांस करके. बहुत मज़ा आया. हमने कट के बाद ये वाला स्टेप भी किया. विच इज़ दैट वन, पूजा? Yeah. So she loves dancing and so do I. So we had a lot of fun on the sets of Bhasad Macha.
Okay, thank you.
Hi Pooja, first of all congratulations to the entire team. The trailer looks fantastic. And Pooja, my question for you is, having played, as you mentioned, and we know that you're playing a journalist, in the film, and the kind of the vibe of the film is obviously intense, as you also rightfully mentioned. My question is that when you play the character, and there were obviously intricacies that come with playing a journalist, what was the kind of brief given to you that it has to match the intensity, or yours is a more restrained form of making sure that you become an aid to Shahid's character, or it's more like I'll be the propeller of whatever happens in his life later?
I've always been attracted to this investigative journalist, that kind of a character, but I think the brief in films like Spotlight and these kind of films, when I watched them, I just thought I love the intensity and I like the urge to know and find out the truth. And sometimes, with people like that, they tend to be blinded by everything else except for finding this out. But I think the brief that Roshan sir and I, when we first met, we thought we'll meet for 5 minutes, and then we went on talking about our love for films and David Fincher and all these kind of films. But I think the one brief Roshan sir gave me was, I want to see Diya and I don't want to see Pooja. And that was something that I strived to achieve. I wanted her to be authentically herself, be strong but not rude, and she's at the same time, she's not afraid of speaking her mind. So when you watch the film, you will understand and you will kind of know what I'm talking about. But she's at the same time got a little softness. It's got, I don't know if that answers your question. So I think that's what I strive for, just being authentically herself. And I think she's pretty much the middle class girl of today who's like, this is what we see in women today. And I think that's what I hope, Roshan, so I've done justice to portray or Dia. And I have followed your brief.